I do not want my solder join to be a claw, so of all the little bits we're cutting out, make sure you're cutting out the solder join. So I'll draw my first claw next to the solder join. Just do a little square with a marker pen. And then, using my saw blade to see exactly across halfway, like I line it up halfway across that mark I just put on, and then, I can't do it, looking through the camera screen, I'll just scratch the top a little bit. I don't want to cut into it too much because that's going to be a claw. So now I've got exactly opposite marked. This is for an 8 claw, yeah, we're doing. Draw a little line on there. It might be an idea to draw thin lines, and then if you're looking at it when you've got all 8 on there, you don't like the distance between 2, you can thicken up your line a little bit one way or the other and make little adjustments, and it's quite a good way, I find, to get it correct. So there's 8, so we do top, bottom, turn it around, do that again, and then we've got to do in between them. The last 4 are much easier because you've already marked out these, hopefully nice and accurately. So again, I'll just use that and I'll just gently rub my saw blade on there, just so I get a shiny little line where I believe is directly top and bottom. When you're using your needle files or your paper discs or whatever, you can really get them really accurate because you're working much slower. You can really tweak it to perfection as you move along. But basically, I would start like that.